Hi guys, I want to show you three things that's wrong with this map. The one would be the moon, the south pole, and then the shadows. Start with the shadows. Um, for a round sun to have two awkward shapes, it's got a round black night sky and a half moon um, daylight. The only way this is possible if it's a cone. The only way you can make a photo like this is if your north pole is at the same elevation as your sun. Okay? So that's the first thing. This is not a flat photo. It's a photo of a cone. Okay, to have these lights, might be a flat plane, but to create these shapes, you need a cone. Okay, that's the first problem. Then the second thing I will show you also is look at the moon is facing all the way. It's facing in the direction of the sun. Okay, which is same. It makes sense, but I'm just going to prove something. Okay, see the moon faces the sun. Remember that. And then the next thing I want to quickly show you on this map is look at what the sun is doing. Okay, it's circulating the North Pole. Okay, it comes north into South Africa and it goes back up north. Okay, never south, because the south is got no sun, or no 24-hour sun. But look at it. It comes from the north, goes to the north. Okay, let me quickly show you two things that's contradicting all that data. Okay, we can just want to go into Google first. Okay, here's a time lapse. This is Cape Town. I need to just put in quickly Johannesburg. Johannesburg, South Africa. Okay. Now look at, you've got to memorize two things there. This is our morning, 116 degrees, 116 east, southeast. There's no north there. Southeast, then 0 degrees at 12 o'clock. Then sunset, 244 degrees, southwest. Southwest. Okay. Just remember those two things. 116, 244. Okay. Let's go out. I just want to go to the gallery. You show your compass. Look at where's 116. Okay. It's southeast. Then 0 is at the top. Okay. North. And then way back at 244. Okay. Southwest. Now, look at this map. Just look at the angles. Now what I will do is I will go into the maps. Okay, I will show you the house. Okay, this is in Johannesburg. Look at the north arrow. Okay, the house is facing north. Okay, now we're going to go out. Now look, remember the north. Okay, putting it back there, putting it back at north. Where is 116 degrees and where is 244 degrees? 244 degrees is right here, more or less here where that mark, and then 116 is way at the back. Okay, which means the sun is circulating the south pole. More evidence of that. I'll give you two more evidence. If we go to this is my house. Okay, the same house I just showed you the photo. There's the shadow 12 o'clock, just past 12. The sun is in front of the house. Okay, at north you can see clearly the shadows. It's front of the house. Okay, then I will show you there's sunset. It's in the back of the house. Okay, just to prove that in a better way, there's the sun at the back of the house. Okay, that's 116 degrees. And then we come to the front. Okay, after the sunset. The sunset is there's the sunset. There's the sunset. Okay, there's the sunset. Okay, clear. And then another one is the moon. The moon is facing the sun. Look, it's also behind. It's behind the house. It's facing behind the house. All the proofs show that everybody in the southern hemisphere see the sun circulating the south pole. As we cannot see the north pole and Polaris, we see the circulating of the sun on the south pole. I hope this helps people that do not understand. The map is wrong. It's a complete lie. Thank you.